The money habit that keeps you broke without you knowing. There is a habit you repeat almost every day. It doesn't look dangerous. It doesn't feel wrong. In fact, it feels completely normal. But this one habit is quietly controlling your financial life and keeping you exactly where you are. Most people believe they are trying their best with money. They think, I just need to earn more. Things are just expensive. Life is hard right now. And while all of that may be true, it's not the real reason they stay stuck. Because if it was, everyone earning more would be financially free. But they're not. There's a pattern most people never question, a behavior so common it becomes invisible. And anything invisible is impossible to fix. The habit, simple but heavy. The habit is this: you spend money without awareness. Not recklessly, not irresponsibly, just automatically. It happens in small moments. When you buy something quickly without thinking. When you send money because it feels necessary. When you tell yourself, it's just small money. Nothing feels extreme. Nothing feels like a mistake. And that's exactly why it's dangerous. Your brain is designed to avoid discomfort. So instead of thinking deeply about every financial decision, it chooses speed, convenience, relief. You don't question the spending, you just move on. And over time, that behavior becomes your default system. The real problem. The problem is not the spending itself, it's the lack of awareness behind it. Because when you're not aware, you don't track, you don't question, you don't correct. So the pattern continues, quietly. The cycle. You earn money, you spend it in small, unnoticed ways. You wonder where it went, then you wait for the next income. And repeat, again, and again, and again. Not because you're careless, but because you're unconscious. Money doesn't disappear loudly. It disappears silently, through patterns that feel normal. That's why most people never fix their finances, because the problem doesn't look like a problem. And over time, this creates something dangerous. You lose control, not suddenly, but gradually. You feel stuck, pressured, confused, like you're trying but not moving forward. But here's the truth. Control doesn't come from earning more. It comes from paying attention. Because attention changes behavior, and behavior changes outcomes. Solution. Start with this. Slow down your spending. Before every decision, ask, do I actually need this? Why am I spending this? Not to restrict yourself, but to become aware. Because awareness is the beginning of control. The moment you start noticing your money, you start changing your relationship with it. You stop reacting and start deciding. This habit is quiet, but its impact is powerful. Fix it, and everything about your finances begins to shift. If you want to understand money beyond surface level, follow Capital Mechanics, because money is not the problem, understanding it is.